Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're dealing with any insects around your home, then you definitely want to take care of that right away. This Ortho Home Defense insect killer has been a great solution for us. So this is great for indoors and for the perimeter of your home. So it creates a barrier and hopefully the insects will not pass it. We have found it to be very effective. It's really easy to use. It comes in this big container with a spray wand, and you basically just go around and spray the areas where the bugs are coming in, and that is it. So you want to make sure that it has a chance to dry before people or pets walk over it or through it, and it doesn't take very long to dry. There are a number of insects that this is effective against, and some of the ones that are listed on the packaging include a variety of different types of ants, beetles, cockroaches, centipedes, fleas, earwigs, ticks, scorpions, silverfish, spiders. So it really runs the gamut of insects that this is effective against. So if you're trying to keep little creepy crawlies out of your home, I would definitely check out this home defense from Ortho. We've been really happy with it, and that's my point of view.